Hi there guys, welcome back to Ron's Tech Hub, and in this one we're going to be looking at how to create files on Microsoft OneDrive. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, again, we're going to use that plus button in the top right hand corner. I'm going to tap on that plus button and you're going to choose the thing you want to create. So in my case, I've showed you guys how to create a folder already. And in this one, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Word document. Simply tap on that fifth option that says create a Word document. It's going to ask me to get the app, to install the app, because this is the very first time I'm doing this on my phone. Now, some of you guys might already have Microsoft Word installed on your phone. If you do, you won't see this screen. Okay, if you don't want to install it, that's perfectly fine. But if you click not now, it's just going to take you back to OneDrive and you're not going to be able to create that Word document, okay? So again, to create the Word document, tap that plus button in the top right hand corner near the search icon. From the drop down list or from the list, choose create a Word document. And from here, I'm going to choose get the app. So I'm going to show the entire process. I'm just going to go to my Play Store because I have Android. If you guys have iOS, it's going to be the App Store. You click install and let's wait for this to finish. I'm going to speed this part up though. Okay, so now that that's finished, I'm actually not going to click on open. I'm going to go back into OneDrive. And again, I'm going to tap that plus button in order to create the Word document. Because now that the program's installed, it should create and open that Word document. Let's tap that plus button again. Let's choose create a Word document, and from when this pops up, just simply type the name you want the document to be. So I'm going to call mine test doc or test document, right? When I finish, I'm going to tap OK. That's actually going to create the Word document and also open the same Word document I've just created. Now, again, because this is the very first time I'm opening Word or using Word on this device, it's going to ask me for permissions to access my device. For this, you actually have to click allow, otherwise it won't work properly. I now need to log into my account. So I'm going to enter my details here. After I've entered my email, I'm going to click next. And on this page, I should be asked to enter my password. Yep. Okay, perfect. So now I'm in your privacy option. I'm going to skip this part for now. Okay, here we are in the Word document I just created. Now I can start editing this Word document. To start editing, that pencil, so that very first icon next to the search icon, that pencil, I simply tap on that. When I tap on that, I can start typing. So I can say this is, let's get rid of that. This is my Word document, right? And I can go in and add as many things as I want to. Okay, so this is how we create a file, specifically a Word document. I'm now going to show you guys how to create a PowerPoint. It's going to be exactly the same process, but instead of installing Word, it's going to obviously install PowerPoint. So I'm going to tap that tick sign on the top left-hand corner to save this document. Then I'm going to go back. Okay, now I'm back at my home page or my main page for my OneDrive. Again, to create a PowerPoint, I'm going to tap that plus button again in the top right-hand corner. And I'm going to click or choose create a PowerPoint presentation. When I tap that, it's going to ask me to get the app, and the reason it's doing this again, I have never installed this app before. I don't have this app on my phone. If you have this app on your phone, it's not going to show you this step. It's going to skip this step. So let's choose get the app. And in my case, again, it's taking me to the Play Store because I have an Android device. If you have an iOS device, it's going to take you to the App Store. Install this. I'm going to skip this section. Okay, so now that's finished installing, I'm not going to open the PowerPoint app. I'm going to actually go back. And again, I need to tap that plus button and create a PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to call this one test presentation. Here it's asking if I want to use PowerPoint or Word. Now, because these file types are similar, I can actually view a PowerPoint in Microsoft Word, but because I want to be able to edit my PowerPoint and use as many features from normal Windows PowerPoint as I can, I'm going to actually choose PowerPoint. Okay, so here we are in the PowerPoint program. We're saving changes automatically. That's fine. I'm going to click got that. I can double tap here to change my title. So test title. Double tap here to add subtitle. Test sub. And there we go. This is our PowerPoint created. And now to actually insert a slide, that plus sign there at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, I'm going to simply tap that and it comes up with a brand new slide. Now again, I can double tap in here and I can say, I don't know, trees, for example. And I can add as many notes as I want in here. And when I'm finished, just like the Word document, I'm going to tap that tick on the top left hand corner to save everything up. Well, to close this from editing. When I do that, I can then go back and it's going to take me back to my OneDrive. Now, from my OneDrive, as you can see, I have a Word document there called test document. And I also have a presentation called test presentation. I can now share these, open them, edit them, and do anything I want with them, just like I would a normal file. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.